So today we'll discuss the derivative of the implicit function. So derivative of implicit function. Implicit function. Now here first we have to say what we have to find out what is the meaning of implicit function. If we express y is equal to fx, if the given equation is expressed in this form, we say that y is expressed explicitly, because on one side there is only y, on another side there is a function of x. So y is expressed as a function of x explicitly. Now instead of that, the value y is expressed in the form of an equation. It is called implicit function. So we have to differentiate the implicit function here. So we will start the directly problem. There is not much theory in that. Let us solve the problems here. Find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. It is minus y is equal to pi. Now we differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. See here, differentiation of x is 1 here. Differentiation of x with respect to x is 1. Now differentiation of y with respect to x, that is dy by dx. Differentiation of y with respect to x. And differentiation of a constant is 0. Therefore, we can write dy by dx is equal to, it is 1. That is the difference, find the value of the dy by dx here. Find dy by dx plus sin y is equal to, it is cos x. Y plus sin. We write differentiate with respect to x. Differentiation of y is dy by dx. See carefully here. Now, differentiation of sin y. Differentiation of sin y is, we know, cos y. Now, this sin is over. Differentiation of this y. Y with respect to x. That is given by dy by dx. See this. See carefully here. This here differentiation sin y, cos y. Differentiation of y, dy by dx. Normally, if sin x is there, then the derivative of sin x we write down cos x, and differentiation of x with respect is into 1. There is no need of writing into 1. But when it is instead of x, we have y or other quantities, we have to differentiate it. So differentiation of sin y is cos y, and differentiation of y is dy by dx. And it is equal to here, differentiation of cos x is, it is minus sin x. Now you can see, we can take dy by dx common. It is 1 plus, it is cos y is equal to, it is minus sin x, or dy by dx is equal to minus sin x by 1 plus, it is cos y is the value of this dy by dx. Find dy by dx. It is x plus 3y is equal to, it is sin y. We have to find out the value of dy by dx. Now differentiate with respect to x. 2 into differentiation of x is 1. It is 2. 3. Differentiation of y with respect to x, that is dy by dx. And here it is, differentiation of sin is cos y. And again differentiation of y is dy by it is dx. Or we can write 3 into dy by dx minus cos y into dy by dx is equal to minus 2, taking to that side. Now you can see, we can take dy by dx common. It is 3 minus cos y is equal to minus 2. or dy by dx is equal to minus 2 by 3 minus it is cos y. If you multiply by minus sign the numerator and denominator, we can write this as 2 by it is cos y minus 3 is the value of the dy by dx. Find dy by dx. If ax plus by square is equal to it is cos y. Ax plus by. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to it is x. Now see here, a into it is differentiation of x with respect to x is 1. So here b is a constant in product as it is. It is of the type x square. Differentiation of y square is 2y. And again differentiation of y dy by dx. Differentiation of cos y is minus sin y. Differentiation of this y is again dy by dx. Now taking one side to the quantity containing dy by dx, we can write 2by into dy by dx, it is plus sin y into dy by dx is equal to it is minus a. We take dy by dx common. It is 2by plus sin y is equal to it is minus a. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to minus a by 2by plus it is sin y is the required value of it is dy by it is dx. Find dy by dx. Xy plus y square is equal to tan x plus it is y. Now we have to find out dy by dx. Here differentiate with respect to x. Now you see here x into y, it is a product of two functions. We have to apply the product rule for that. So first function as it is, differentiation of y with respect to x is dy by dx plus y, differentiation of x with respect to x is 1. So therefore y here. Now differentiation of y square, that is 2y with respect to power first. Then differentiation of y with respect to x is dy by dx is equal to differentiation of tan x, that is sec square x, and differentiation of y is again dy by dx. Now we take the term containing dy by dx one side. Dy by dx plus 2y into dy by dx minus it is dy by dx is equal to it is sec square x minus it is y. We take dy by dx common. That is dy by dx is equal to this is x plus 2y minus 1 is equal to it is sec square x minus y. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to it is sec square x minus y by it is x plus 2y minus 1 is the value of the dy by dx. Find dy by dx. X square plus xy plus y square is equal to 100. We have to find out the value of dy by dx. For this you see here, it is differentiate with respect to x. Now differentiation of x square, that is 2x. Now to differentiate xy, we have to apply the product rule because there are two functions in product. So therefore, first function as it is, differentiation of y with respect to x is dy by dx plus y as it is, differentiation of x with respect to x is 1. Into 1 you may write, you may not write, plus differentiation of y square, that is 2y, and again differentiation of y is dy by dx and differentiation of a constant is 0. we take dy by dx common. It is x plus it is 2y is equal to minus 2x minus y, or dy by dx is equal to minus 2x minus y by it is x plus 2y is the value of it is dy by dx. Dy by dx x cube plus x square y square plus it is y cube is equal to 81. We have to find out the value of dy by dx. Now look here, it is differentiate with respect to x. Differentiation of x cube 3x square. Now to differentiate this x square y, we have to apply the product rule. For this, first function as it is, differentiation of y with respect to x is dy by dx. Now y as it is, differentiation of x square, that is 2x. Now again here also we have to apply the product rule. First function as it is, differentiation of y square, first with respect to power is 2y, and differentiation of y is dy by dx, plus second function as it is, differentiation of x is 1 here. Again, differentiation of y cube, that is 3y square into dy by dx. Differentiation of a constant, 81 is a constant, it is 0. Now, let us take dy by dx common, that is x square plus 2xy plus 3y square, and the term containing remaining term let us take to that side, 3x square plus minus 2xy, it is minus y square. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to it is, you can take minus sign common, 3x square plus 2xy plus y square divided by it is x square plus 2xy plus it is 3y square is the value of dy by dx. Find dy by dx. Y plus it is cos of it is xy is equal to it is k. So again we differentiate with respect to x. Now differentiate start with respect to power first. Differentiation of with respect to power is sin square y is 2 sin y. This is with respect to power. Differentiation of sin y, cos y. Now differentiation of y, dy by dx. So with respect to power is 2 sin y. Differentiation of sin y is cos y. Differentiation of y, dy by dx. Differentiation of cos minus sine of it is xy. Here the value of theta is xy actually. Now to differentiate xy, we apply product rule. First function as it is. Differentiation of y, differentiation of x is 1 here. It is equal to differentiation of a constant is 0 here. Now we open the bracket. 2 sin y cos y can be written as sin 2y using trigonometric formulas. You open the bracket here, minus x into sin of xy into dy by dx minus y into sin of xy is equal to 0. We take dy by dx common. It is sin 2y minus x into sin of it is xy. It is then is equal to, taking to that side, it will be y into sin of it is xy. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to y sin of xy divided by it is sin 2y minus x into sin xy, that is the required value of dy by dx. Find dy by dx. sin square x plus it is cos square y is equal to 1. Now, again differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. First differentiation with respect to power. Differentiation sin square is 2 sin x. Differentiation of power. Differentiation of sin x, cos x. Differentiation of x with respect to x is 1. Now, with respect to this is power. Differentiation of cos square, that is 2 cos y. Now differentiation of cos y minus sin y, and differentiation of y with respect to x is dy by dt. Differentiation of a constant is 0 here. Now you see here again 2 sin y cos y can be written as sin 2x, and here minus 2 sin y cos y into dy by dx is equal to, it is 0. It is sin 2x, and here 2 sin y, applying the trigonometric formula, it is sin 2y into dy by dx is equal to 0. Therefore we can write it is minus sin 2y into dy by dx is equal to minus sin 2x. Therefore dy by dx is equal to, both side minus will become plus, sin 2x by sin 2y is the value of it is dy by dx. If x under root 1 plus it is y under root is equal to 0, minus 1 is less than x is less than plus 1. Prove that dy by dx is equal to, dy by dx is equal to, it is minus 1 by 1 plus x, it is whole square. We write it is x under root 1 plus y under root 1 plus x is equal to 0. To avoid the complexity of this problem, let us make it simple. That is x under root 1 plus y is equal to minus y under root 1 plus x. Squaring both the sides. Squaring, it is x square into 1 plus y. It is y square into 1 plus x. Root will be removed because of the square. Now we open the brackets. X square plus x square y minus y square minus xy square is equal to 0. Now you see here it is, let us consider these two functions, x square minus y square. From these two functions we can take xy common. X minus it is y is equal to 0. We can make factors here. X minus y into x plus y, and here it is xy into it is x minus y is equal to, it is 0 here. We can take x minus y common. So therefore x minus y we take common. What remains here is x plus y plus xy is equal to 0. Here x minus y is equal to 0, or x plus y plus xy is equal to 0. Now this is, if you consider this equation, x is equal to y, this is not applicable. If you substitute in the given problem, it doesn't hold. So this is cancelled here. Therefore we should consider x plus y plus xy is equal to 0. Or let us take y common. 1 plus x is equal to 0. Y into 1 plus x is equal to minus x. Or y is equal to minus x by 1 plus x. Now this is the actual value of it is y. Now we have to differentiate it. We differentiate it dy by dx. We have to apply quotient rule here. Minus, it is 1 plus x, it is whole square, 1 plus x. Differentiation of x is 1. minus x as it is. Differentiation of denominator is 1 is 0, x is 1. So therefore, we get it is 1 plus x minus x divided by 1 plus x, it is whole square, minus x plus x get cancelled. Our answer is 1 by 1 plus x whole square as is required by the given problem. If cos y is equal to, it is x into cos of a plus y, cos of a plus y, with cos a is not equal to plus or minus 1, with cos a is not equal to plus or minus 1, prove that dy by dx is equal to, it is cos square a plus y divided by, it is sin a. This is the problem. Now look here, we prove it. See, the given problem is cos y is equal to x into a plus y. Now let us find out the value of x. Therefore, x is equal to, it is cos y divided by cos of a plus y. See the function. X is equal to a function of y. Actually, x is explicitly expressed in the terms of y. So, differentiating with respect to y. Differentiate with respect to y. Normally, we differentiate with respect to x. Here, differentiation of x with respect to y is dy by dx by dy. Now, to differentiate, we have to apply the quotient rule. That is cos square a plus y into cos of, it is a plus y, derivative of cos y minus, it is sin y, and differentiation of y with respect to y is 1. So therefore, minus cos y as it is, derivative of this cos minus sin, minus of minus, it is plus sin. It is sin of a plus y. Now you see here, if you see, it is here we write, it is cos x sin y plus sin x cos y. That is equal to, here it will be sin of a minus x minus, it is y. That is equal to, here cos square, it is a plus y. Here we have applied the formula sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Sin a minus b. So plus y minus y get cancelled. So here we write, it is dx by dy is equal to, it is sin a divided by cos square a plus y. Therefore, by taking reciprocal, dy by dx is equal to, it is cos square a plus y divided by, it is sin a, which is the value of, it is dy by dx. I have studied the inverse function. Here, how to find out the derivatives of the inverse function. Now suppose we have the formula, we have the function y is equal to sin inverse x. Then by the definition of inverse function, x can be written as sin y. Now differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiation of x is 1. Differentiation of sin y, cos y. And differentiation of y is dy by dx. Therefore, we can write, it is dy by dx is equal to 1 by cos y. Cos y can be written as, it is 1 by under root, it is 1 minus, it is sin square y. And 1 minus sin square y is under root cos y. Now, from equation 1, the value of sin y is, it is x. Therefore, we can write, here it is dy by dx is equal to, it is 1 by under root 1 minus x square. Now, you know, for the cos inverse, directly we have differentiation of cos y is minus sin y. Therefore, similarly, we can write similarly, if y is equal to cos inverse x, then dy by dx is equal to, it is minus 1 by under root 1 minus x square. So like this, we can derive all the formulas. Let us write down the list of that and then solve the problems. Formula of derivative of inverse function, differentiation of sine inverse x. As we have seen just now, it is equal to 1 by under root 1 minus x square, where x is not equal to 1. It is understood already. Now similarly, derivative of cos inverse x, that is equal to here minus 1 by under root 1 minus x square. We have derivative of tan inverse x, that is given by 1 by 1 plus it is cot inverse x, that is equal to minus 1 by 1 plus x square. It is derivative of sec inverse x, that is given by 1 by x under root x square minus 1. And lastly, differentiation of cosec inverse x with respect to x is given by minus 1 by under root x square minus 1. We suppose that in all functions they exist and they are in the domain only. And dy by dx. If y is equal to, it is e raised to sine inverse x, e raised to sine inverse x, it is dy by dx. We know differentiation of e is e only, sine inverse x, and then first differentiation with respect to e, then derivative of sine inverse x, that is given by under root 1 minus x square. That can be written as, it is e raised to sine inverse x divided by under root 1 minus x square. Next problem, let us take second one. By dx, here it is y is equal to, it is cos inverse of e raised to x. Now refer the formula of cos inverse x. So cos inverse x is given by, it is dy by dx is equal to here cos inverse minus 1 by 1, it is under root 1 minus x square. In place of x we have e raised to x. This is the differentiation of cos inverse. Now differentiation of e raised to x, that is e raised to x only. We can write this as minus e raised to x divided by under root e raised to, it is 2x after multiplying the thing. Now the inverse functions are appear. Third one, let us take sine of, it is tan inverse of e raised to minus x. We have to differentiate it. Now suppose this is equal to y, it is y is equal to, it is this one dy by dx. First differentiate sine, differentiation of sine x is cos x, whatever it may be the value of x here, e raised to minus. This is with respect to sine. Differentiation of tan inverse, that is 1 by 1 plus it is x square. In place of x we have e raised to minus x. Tan inverse is 1 by 1 plus x square. Tan inverse is 1. Differentiation of e raised to x minus e raised to x. E is e only, and differentiation of minus x, it is minus 1. So that is our answer is, it is minus e raised to minus x cos of tan inverse e raised to minus x by 1 plus e raised to minus 2x is the value of the dy by dx. find dy by dx. If y is equal to sine inverse of, it is 2x by 1 plus it is x square. Now, before directly also we can do, but it takes much time. To avoid that, better to use the substitution. Here we know the formula sine 2x is equal to it is 2 tan x by 1 plus tan square x. We keep in mind this formula. And now compare this 2x by 1 plus x square with this. Automatically you understand that our substitution is put x is equal to tan theta. So we write here put x is equal to tan theta. Therefore theta is equal to tan inverse x. Now y is equal to, we have sine inverse of 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. By using that formula, we can write this as sine inverse of, it is sine 2 theta. Now by the definition of inverse function, sine inverse and sine cancel each other, it is 2 theta. Substitute the value of theta, that is 2 tan inverse x, that is the value of y here. It is the actual simplified form of the given function. Now it is easy to differentiate. Differentiate with respect to x, dy by dx. 2 into differentiation of tan inverse is 1 by 1 plus x square, that is 2 by 1 plus x square is the derivative of this. Even if you direct differentiate, after much simplification we get the same answer. But it is better to use this method. Next problem. Y is equal to tan inverse of, it is 3x minus x cubed 1 minus 3x square, where minus 1 by root 3, it is less than x is less than 1 by it is root 3. Now again which formula we have to take the help of that? We remember the formula tan 3 theta is equal to 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. We remember this formula. And now compare this formula, here it is. Automatically you understand that our substitution must be put x is equal to tan theta. Therefore theta must be equal to tan inverse of, it is x. Y is equal to tan inverse of 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Now by application of this formula, its value is given by tan 3 theta. Let us substitute that. Tan inverse of tan 3 theta. And cancel each other. 3 theta. The value of theta is, we have tan inverse x. Therefore tan inverse x, actually this is the simplified form of the given function. And easy to differentiate. Dy by dx is equal to 3. Differentiation of tan inverse is 1 by 1 plus x square, that is 3 by it is 1 plus x square is the value of dy by dx. Find dy by dx if y is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square, where 0 is less than x is less than 1. Now here again we remember the formula, that is cos 2 theta is equal to, it is 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Look here, see the right hand here and compare this. Automatically we will understand that x is equal to tan theta is substitution. We write put x is equal to tan theta. Therefore theta is equal to tan inverse of, it is x. So y can be written as cos inverse of 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta, that is cos inverse of, applying that formula, cos 2 theta. Cos and cos inverse cancel each other. 2 theta. Substitute the value of theta. 2 tan inverse x. This is the simplified form of the given trigonometric function. Now it is very simple to differentiate. Dy by dx 2 into 1 by 1 plus x square. That is the 2 by 1 plus x square is the value of the derivatives. Find dy by dx. If y is equal to sine inverse of, it is 1 minus x square by, it is 1 plus x square, where 0 is less than x is less than it is 1. Again, this type of, just now we have solved the problem, but it was in the cos inverse. So what we should do is, we put x is equal to tan theta. Theta is equal to tan inverse x. Our problem becomes now, y is equal to sine inverse 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. What is this value? But this is nothing but it is cos 2 theta. It is cos 2. Just now we have used this formula, cos 2 theta. But we know sine inverse cannot cancel with cos theta. So therefore we have to convert it into sine theta. Cos 2 theta can be written in terms of sine theta as sine of, it is 90 minus theta. See here, sine 90 minus theta cos theta. Value remains same and it is converted into sum. Now we can cancel sine and sine inverse. So it will become pi by 2 minus it is 2 theta. Substitute the value of theta, that is 2 into tan inverse x. This is the simplified form of the given problem. Now differentiate dy by dx. It is 0 minus 2 into 1 by 1 plus x square, or we can write minus 2 by 1 plus x square is the value of this derivative. Next problem, find dy by dx. Y is equal to cos inverse of, it is 2x by 1 plus x square. It is minus 1 is less than x is less than it is 1 here. Again, it is also the problem, the same type which we have solved just now. We put x is equal to tan theta. Then theta is equal to, it is tan inverse of x. Y is equal to cos inverse of 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. What is this formula? We have used just now. Cos inverse of, it is nothing but sine 2 theta. Again here also we cannot cancel cos inverse with sine. Therefore we have to convert it into cos. So how do you convert it? That is sine 2 theta can be written as cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta sin theta. Value remains same, it is in terms of cos also. Therefore we can cancel pi by 2 minus 2 theta, or y is equal to pi by 2 minus 2 into theta is nothing but tan inverse x. Now we differentiate dy by the differentiation constant is 0 minus 2 into 1 by 1 plus x square, that is equal to minus 2 by 1 plus x square is the required derivative of this given function. Find dy by dx if y is equal to sine inverse of, it is 2x under root 1 minus x square. It is where minus 1 by root 2 is less than x is less than it is plus 1 by root 2. That is the condition. Now, by looking to the problem, you can understand what can be the substitution. Here you see here, it is, we put x is equal to sine theta. Therefore, theta is equal to sine inverse x. Now y is equal to sine inverse of 2 sine theta under root 1 minus sine square theta. Now under root 1 minus sine square theta is cos theta. Therefore we can write it as sine inverse of 2 sine theta, it is cos theta. 2 sine theta cos theta, that is sine 2 theta. Sine inverse of it is sine 2 theta. Again this get cancelled, it is 2 theta, or y is equal to, substituting the value of theta, sine inverse x. Now we can differentiate dy by dx is equal to 2 into 1 by under root 1 minus x square is the value of the dy by dx. Y is equal to, it is sec inverse, it is 1 by 2x square minus 1. 0 is less than x is less than it is 1 by it is root 2. We have to differentiate it again by substituting. We try to make it simple. So our substitution, you can see 2 cos square minus 1 is cos 2 theta. By taking that, we can put x is equal to cos theta. Theta is equal to cos inverse x. Therefore y is equal to sec inverse of 1 by 2 cos square theta minus 1. We remember the trigonometrical formula. 2 cos square minus 1 is equal to, it is cos 2 theta. And 1 by cos 2 is, we know it is sec 2 theta. It is sec 2 theta. Now sec and sec inverse cancel each other. 2 theta. Substitute the value of theta. It is cos inverse x. Now we can differentiate easily. Dy by dx is equal to 2 into 1 by minus 1 by under root 1 minus x square, or minus 2 by under root 1 minus x square is the value of the derivative. Y is equal to tan inverse of, it is sin x by 1 plus cos x. Again we make it short by applying the trigonometric formulas. Here you see, it is, we can write this as tan inverse. Let us make use of the half angle formulas. Sin x in half angle is 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. It is 1 plus cos x, that is 2 cos square x by 2. Now 2 cancel with your 1 cos, sin by cos is remaining. Tan inverse of, it is tan x by 2. Again tan and tan inverse cancel each other. This is the actual value of y. Now differentiate. Dy by dx is equal to, it is 1 by 2 is a constant, differentiation of x is 1, that is half is the value of the derivative. Problem here, it is find dy by dx if y is equal to sine inverse of, it is 2 raised to x plus 1 divided by 1 plus 4 raised to x. Now, so first we have to make it simple. Now let us write this as sine inverse of, this 2x plus 1 can be written as 2 into 2 raised to x. Look here. That is 2 raised to x plus 1 only. And here we write it is 1 plus it is 2 raised to x raised to it is x. That is 2 into 2, that will be 4, 4 raised to x. So our substitution is put 2 raised to x is equal to tan theta. Therefore, theta is equal to tan inverse of, it is 2 raised to x. Therefore, our problem becomes sine inverse of 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. We remember the formula. This is nothing but sine inverse of, it is sine of 2 theta. Now sine and sine inverse cancel each other. It is 2 theta is there. Substitute the value of theta. Tan inverse of it is 2 raised to x. Actually, this is the given function. Now we have to differentiate with respect to x. So to differentiate with respect to x, look here. We can do here. Let us do here it is. Y is equal to 2 tan inverse of it is 2 raised to x. dy by dx. It is 2 is a constant in product as differentiation of tan inverse. 1 by 1 plus it is 2x square. Tan inverse. Differentiation of 2 raised to x. 2 raised to x into log of 2. A raised to x time. Differentiation of a raised to x is a raised to x into log a. We are, in place of a we have 2 here. Again this 2 we can write it as 2 raised to x plus 1 into log 2 divided by this can be written as 4 raised to x. 2 square will be 4 raised to x. That is the value of it is dy by dx.